Are you cooking? Are you going to taste it? Is it good? Does it taste like chicken, Charlie? It's okay. Oh, you want the blanket on you? Okay. There we go. Taste it again. See if it's any good. Yum. Yum. Say yum. Mmm. You like the blanket? Mmm. Is it yummy? Okay.